Yo.
If Lumkani was a woman,
Lumkani the flower.
I would say she's got a TLC. You know?
If Lumkani were a woman, I would say a very honest woman, a woman that knows what she wants, trustworthy, and very honorable.
I would say Rosa Parks. Do you know Rosa Parks, guys? Ebenga going to what she's doing. That's how Lumkani is. Asigunqi.
She's tender, she's loving, and she's caring. Yeah, well, she's everything. She's the whole package. Supportive at all times as well.
A brave woman and also wise up woman.
Umuntu ongumama who is motivated uba abanye abantu bahlele bonwabile. So ufana nomzali isikhukhukazi lomngane. Noma andinando ninethemba lomngane kwenzeka into uzakwazi ungikhosela.
Yeah, in Pokotho.